Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the normal functioning of the linked list. So we would start off with the header file hash include iostream using namespace standard. Then we would create the structure with name, structure, node, and it would be data type int and node star link, and it's the members would star head. Here we would declare the function for inserting data from first. It would be void insert at first, and it would create a new node. We would ask the user to enter the data, and the data would be inserted, and then of course we would include the if else statement. If the head is equal to the null, then the temp value would be assigned as equal to null head, or else the temporary link would be assigned to head, and that head would be assigned to the temp. Then the node star monkey would also be assigned to head. Then we would go for insert data from last. It would be the function would be void insert node at end. So there the node we would again create a new node and ask the user to enter the data, and the same thing would be take place where the same if else statement. Now in the else statement, here we would include a while loop. Here if the monkey link is not equal to null, then only the monkey if the monkey link is not equal to the null value, then the monkey would be assigned to the monkey link. So it would go on and on until it finds the null value, and once it finds the null value, that monkey link would be assigned to the temp. So in this way the insertion at last would take place. Now we'll create another function which would be insert node from particular space. It means that we're inserting a data at a particular place. The same thing would take place. It create a new node star temp equal to new node. There we will declare two variables, int member and int flag, and would initialize that as 0. So we would ask the user to enter the member after that value which would be added. We would enter, and after that we enter the data. The same thing if else statement would be introduced, and the same while loop where the monkey is not equal to null, then only the monkey data would be the member, and the temp link would be assigned to monkey link, and the monkey link, whatever monkey link is there, it would be assigned to the temp value, and we would assign as flag equal to 1. And as it goes on, the monkey would go on to the next link and would go on and on until it finds the value. Here if the flag is 0, then it would say the member is not found, the member which has been entered is not found. The same thing for deletion. We would go for creating a new node and enter the value which we want to delete, and the same thing would happen, that it would go on and on. It would find whether it we would go for the if else statement, and if the data has been found, the value has been matched, then it would delete that thing. Consider that value has been assigned to the temp value, and then we would delete the temp. Now if we would go for a while loop, here if the monkey link is not equal to null, then it would go on and on. It would go on and search for it and take it out. And the next function, last of all, would be display the value. Here again we would create a node and we would print out the members which are present in the stack. So then the printout would be monkey data, and there again the same thing would happen. The monkey would go on unless it finds a null value. It would go on and check whether there is a null value or not, and if it is not null, then it would display those numbers. Similarly, same thing would be done for search. Here int value, we would declare the variables as value, position and flag. Position would be initialized as 1 and flag would be initialized as 0. So here again we would ask the user which value they want to search. The value will be done, while the same thing would be done if the monkey's value is not equal to null. Then again inside it the if else statement, the monkey data equal to value, and then we will go for the print out the value, and then we would go on for the int main function. There we would create a switch case using so and so, but before that we would declare op and ch. Op would be of data type int and ch would be of data type character. So here we would again ask for the user for his choice, whatever choice he wants, and then the following would take place. In case 1, insert at first. For second case would be insert at end. In case 3 it would be insert from at a particular space. Case 4 would be deletion. Case 5 would be display, and case 6 would be search. So, and if it's default, then it would say wrong choice and to enter it again. And if we want to go on, if we want to keep it on, then we would ask the user to press Y, and the whole thing would be included in a do while loop. So if it's been entered in a do while loop, then it would say. So we would run the function here. We would do it. So let's say it's welcome to the linked list operation. So and so we would first insert. We'll go for insert any value. It would show the data. It would go. Let's enter 2. Again we want to do it, so we would press Y, and it would say we would go for 2. Here we would again enter something. We want to press Y. We would go at deletion, or we can end another one, and we would go enter data, and then we would go for a deletion here. Then we would enter the value. Would check what value we have entered. We would go for 6. Here you press Y again, and now we would go for display here. So on displaying it's showing 5 and 2 because the 6th which has been entered has been deleted because we have applied a deleter function before. So here if we want to stop here, so we would just press N and it would come out of the operation. So with this I would conclude this video. So thank you for watching.